Hello everyone, welcome to my July candle and wax melt empties. So yeah, I didn't do too badly actually. I was up at the cottage for just over a week, but I did take 2 candles with me, but I didn't take any wax melts. And then I just returned from my mom's a couple of days ago. I was up there for 3 or 4 days, and I didn't take anything up with me. So yeah, I'm quite happy with what I did get through. So I'm going to just start. I went on my email today, and I get emails from Well.ca, which is a Canadian online store here, and they had a sale on Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products, 20% off, and they also sell method on there. Now we can find them in stores here, but they don't carry the full line, like all the scents in the stores. So I usually go onto Well.ca to see what new scents they have. So Mrs. Meyer, right now they do have apple cider and acorn spice, which in their cleaning products. There's soap, like hand soap and dish soap and kind of an all-purpose cleaner. So yeah, they're both very good. The acorn spice is very, very nice. But they do have new scents coming out, and they're not available right now on the site, but they said they're coming out soon. So one of those scents that's coming out soon is Orange Clove, and I absolutely love Orange Clove scents. I love orange scents, I love clove scents, so I'm very excited about that one. So I hit where it says click here if you want to be notified when it comes in stock, so I clicked there. They also have rainwater coming out, snowdrop. I don't know what that is going to smell like. It didn't have a description, it just said snowdrop. Peppermint and Iowa pine, and I do love pine scents in cleaning products. So yeah, if you're Canadian, you can get those on Well.ca. Right now there is a 20% off sale on Mrs. Meyer's cleaning products. But yeah, I'm very excited to get my hands on that Orange Clove especially. Now Walmart Canada, we haven't had any new sensationals for quite a while. They kind of revamped the wax and candle aisle there, so there's a couple of rows across from each other. Yeah, a lot of new stuff, new candles and everything like that, but they don't have any new scents from sensationals coming out, so hopefully soon. I don't know what's going on, but I did pick this one up and I haven't had it before, and that's Alluring by Sensationals with this beautiful deep oxblood red kind of wax. My last video I was dropping everything too. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, this one really smells nice. So the notes on this are solar bergamot, lend a citrus impression to smooth mahogany and ambered palo santo. So yeah, bergamot is kind of from the citrus family, and it is kind of a watery note. But I really like this one. To me, it's not cloney, but it's definitely masculine. I do definitely get a woodsy scent. Oh, it's so good. Not everyone's cup of tea, but definitely I just love this. So I did get like about three or four of these. But yeah, I just really like this scent. It is so good. It will be perfect for the fall and the winter. It'll be perfect when I'm reading my historical novels or watching a historical movie. This will be absolutely perfect. So I did stock up on that one. All right, so I'm going to start with the 2 candles that I burned at our cottage up in Elk Lake. Now, traditionally, I always take vanilla birch and usually bergamot waters, but I decided to break tradition and try something different. And this is sea salt and balsam. So very good burn, very good throw. This one just filled up the cottage. There's like 6 or 7 bedrooms in the cottage, so it's quite a long cottage. Well, somewhat long. That's what she said. But it filled it up anyhow. So this is sparkling bergamot, white tea, and fresh sage. And it's interesting they didn't mention balsam in the scent notes. So this is like kind of a watery bergamot fresh balsam. It's not quite as strong and heavy as fresh balsam. The sparkling bergamot in there definitely kind of lightens it up and adds kind of a watery note. I really, really like this one. It was very, very nice, and yeah, no issues at all with that candle. And the other one I brought up, so I usually like to take kind of a woodsy evergreen scent and then take a floral scent. And this is Hibiscus Waterfalls. And this is tropical hibiscus, sweet peach nectar, and fresh waterfall mist. I didn't get any peach. Now to me, it said tropical hibiscus. I don't know what hibiscus smells like. But I did get a rose scent out of this. So if you have tried this, let me know. But I picked up rose from this, like a watery, soft rose kind of scent. Fresh waterfall, yeah, it's just kind of that watery kind of note to it. But yeah, again, no issues with the burn or the throw. Filled up the cabin. Really enjoyed that one. Very, very pretty floral. And Yankee Candle World Journeys. Yes, I do have maybe 4 or 5 World Journeys left, I believe. Yeah. What a fantastic line this was. I tried probably about a dozen different scents from this World Journeys line. Maybe 1 or 2 had a light throw. They were 2 wick, paraffin wax, no issues with the burn. There was some soot because I didn't probably clip it, the wicks quite enough. Malaysian Palm was one of my favorites. Also Australian Oasis was one of my favorites also. But yeah, these were just such fantastic candles. This is how you make a candle. Malaysian Palm, it was just a beautiful, bright greenery scent. Yeah, just so good. I do have 1 Malaysian Palm left, 1 left. And yeah, even after all these years, they still throw so well. Yeah, this is back when they were like $12.99. So this is going back a few years. This was poured in 2011. Yes, 2011. So yeah, been hanging on to it. I hate to see them disappear, but I'm not enjoying them when they're collecting dust. So, all right, the next one, aromatherapy line. Love the aromatherapy line and the candles and the body care. I just love the scents. They're just so soothing and relaxing. And this is eucalyptus and tea. And I have this in body care too. And I just absolutely love it. The eucalyptus isn't overly herbal. It's certainly tamed down so nicely with the tea. No issues with the burn or the throw. It's a very good throw. Just love that one. Another one that I've gone through many of these, strawberry pound cake. Yeah, I always have a good throw with this one. I don't remember any issues with the burn with this one. Actually, I wonder if I can probably get another hour or 2 out of that. I should probably light it up. I'm going to set it over here. That was in Julian's room for the most part. But I could smell it out in the hallway and that, so I think I can get a little bit more use out of that one. This is lavender vetiver. And wild lavender, warm vetiver, and creamy sandalwood. So yeah, I put this in my bedroom. I find lavender scents very relaxing. It wasn't an overly herbal, astringent lavender. It was tamed down with the vetiver and the sandalwood. Very pretty, very soft, good throw, and I don't think there was any issues with the throw. Pink watermelon. So this is pink watermelons, sugared strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. I don't think I got the lime zest really. So yeah, this is one of those candles where when you sniff it on cold, it's like, oh yeah, it's a nice fruity scent. But when it's burning, I don't know, it just goes up a few notches there. So yeah, I really like this when it's burning. I did put this in the kitchen. It kind of got lost, but I need a powerhouse in this kitchen. So yeah, it does well in a smaller room. And yeah, I don't know if I can get more out of that one either. Anyway, quick sip. Alrighty. Alright, let's go through the wax melts. So I have a handful of these old Yankee wax melts still. They do lose their scent. God knows how old this one is. I find the Sensationals, I have Sensationals that are 4 or 5 years old, and there's nothing wrong with the throws. But I do find Yankee does lose its throw. But I did pop this in my warmer, Meadow Showers. I love this one. We've had a lot of rain here in London, Ontario, which is good. I wish all the places that are having wildfires would get the rain we're having. But yeah, I've been burning Thunderstorm by Yankee and Rainy Day by Sensationals and Summer Rain by Scentsy. So I've been burning a lot of kind of rainy day kind of scents. This one's a soapy kind of greenery scent. It's always strong in wax form. I think I have a candle left still in this. Yeah, I do, actually, full one. But yeah, it's always strong, so this one actually does pretty well, and God knows how old it is. Scentsy's White Tea and Cactus. I really like this one. It was actually strong and long-lasting. Fresh green cactus, floral essence, and white desert bloom, I think it is. So yeah, this is definitely a greenery scent. It's bright. It's got a hint of floral in there. It's strong, long-lasting. Really, really enjoyed this one. That would be a repurchase for me. Cucumber Lime by Scentsy. It said it had green leafy mint in the scent notes too, but I didn't pick that up. I got the cucumber and the lime, more cucumber than anything. But definitely the brightness with that lime. But I don't know, on cold it was so strong, and then melting, I tried a couple of different rooms and it was light. So it was kind of disappointing. I think some people said theirs was strong, but I wish it was stronger. This is Yankee Candle. Now this is the newer type of melt. Sun-drenched apricot rose. Lovely, lovely scent. So good. I definitely got more of the apricot than the rose, but it's such a good scent. Probably a little stronger than a medium throw with this one. This is Scentsy's Love and Happiness. So this is glazed chestnut, vanilla, sugar cane. This one actually was fairly long lasting and had a good throw, filled up the bedroom just fine. Yeah, I got more of that sugary vanilla than I did with the chestnut. I mean, there's a hint of that kind of nuttiness, but I think definitely get more of that sugary vanilla kind of scent. This is Cotton Fields by Fusion, which is the sister company of Sensationals. I love laundry scents. Just brings back memories of childhood or something. I don't know what it is, but I do love laundry scents. Yeah, just love them. And this is Luscious Lemon by Scentsy. I had it in the kitchen and kind of got lost. I love lime or lemon scents in the kitchen, but yeah, I should have probably put it in a different room. I could kind of smell it like a third of the kitchen or so. Fantasyland by Sensationals. I don't have the scent description, but I can pick up like a grapefruit kind of scent in there. It's fruity, but I think I get a lot of that kind of sharp grapefruit scent. It was good. I just wasn't wowed by it. Watermelon Tangerine by Scentsy. Yeah, this one, if I remember correctly, got a little bit more of the tangerine than the watermelon. A little stronger than a medium throw, and it lasted kind of a moderate amount of time. This is from Sensationals Day of the Dead line, and this is Flower Crown. And this was a really, really nice floral. I really like the florals in this Day of the Dead line. I can still find a few Day of the Dead, not too much anymore. But yeah, it was just a really pretty floral with some greenery in there. But I enjoyed that one. Oh, this is Yankee Candle Centerpiece, Coconut Beach. I love coconut scents. This one was a coconut scent with a slight perfumey note in there. So pretty. Just a medium throw though, but just so soft, so pretty. Summer Rain by Scentsy. I really do like this one also. I think I got one backup still. But yeah, just fresh, watery, floral note in there. This is Mystic by Sensationals. And yeah, it was a fruity scent. I did like it, but it just didn't wow me or anything like that. I don't think I'd repurchase it or anything, but it was an okay scent. This is Tiger Lily by Scentsy. And this one was Tiger Lily, Sugared Mandarin, and Jasmine. So a really pretty floral, fruity blend. But I really struggled to smell this one. I think I got more of the mandarin than anything, and then it was just topped up with the floral notes. But this one's really light. I melted this in the bathroom, and I struggled with that one. And the last one was Cherry Blossom by Sensationals. Now I just bought a value pack a while ago of this one. This is one of those that, you know, smells nice, pretty floral on coal, but then when you melt it, it just blooms. Quite literally just blooms. And it's strong and long lasting. So yeah, I really like this one. So that is it. So I actually I just finished off my 8th book for July. I read 8 books in July. I'm so proud of myself, probably because we didn't have Wi-Fi at the cottage for just over a week. And I just came back from my mom's for after being there for a few days. And she does have Wi-Fi, but I was just busy doing this and that, helping her out. And I have barely been on social media or YouTube this past month. And man, you get a lot accomplished when you're not sitting on the computer. I could get used to that. So yeah, I finished 8 books. So I may do a video on that today. Just have some paperwork to finish up. But yeah, quite proud of myself. So anyway, that's it for my empties. So I hope everyone's summer is going okay. I hope people. Some of you I know are affected by fires or flooding or what have you, or the terrible oppressive heat. So anyway, yeah, can't say I'm not looking forward to fall, that's for sure. But everyone take care, give your loved ones a hug and kiss, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.